Which one? Hold on. Did you put on the
The ones
Google?
that I just sent. Yeah, in the
You
chat.
put on the Google link. All right, let me look at
Yeah,
it.
I put a Google link in chat.
Let's see. Nah, that mobile home is salvageable, bro.
It
Jesus,
is?
so much garbage.
You think we could save that?
Hold on, let me get this call.
Okay.
Michael.
Yo, hey, I have Dustin on. Hold on.
All right, perfect. Finished looking at this mobile home. Hold on.
He put thank you. He put thank you so much.
Is this salvageable? Okay, never mind. Maybe from first glance, from far.
It's tough.
I think what makes it tough is that it's built in 1970 something. You know, like.
That's a nice piece of land.
Oh. Jeez. Damn, these people trash this like con gana.
Yeah, he said the squatters went and fucked it up.
Oh my goodness.
I can't believe this man went in here.
Wow.
I wouldn't go in there if he paid me.
He's the real hero, to be honest. He's the real
He's for
hero.
sure gonna get a disease from going in there.
Bro, no, don't say that. Bro, he's the real hero for sure.
Look at that. Is that the roof? Like that? What is that hanging from the ceiling? The roof coming down?
Wow. I mean, send these to the seller just so he can see, because he hasn't been out there in a while, right?
No, he hasn't seen this shit.
I mean, we saw just land values like in the hundreds, so I think we're still fine, but damn, this thing is really rough. It's like really, really rough. But these are the type of properties that we do well on. We figure out a solution.
Sick.
Yeah. Yeah, send it in the chat so then like that we can post it on the WhatsApp chat with the updated pictures.
Yeah, I sent
And
him that. I'm gonna list it.
you'll list it?
Shall we?
Yeah, we have to list it. Let's list it. I think list it for a little bit more. Let's list it for like 125.
I put it on Facebook first.
Yeah,
Facebook's for sure gonna get way more action. Let me find Oklahoma groups and shit.
Yeah. All right, bet. So, and then the other one in California, let me see. Yeah, that one, I mean, is he motivated on that or no? That one in California?
He's motivated, but he has like a bunch of properties in California he's trying to get rid of. He's starting with this one.
Right. Yeah, I have 150. Or yeah. I don't know if he's gonna go all the way that low, but you have a callback set for Matthew.
No, because I guess Matthew spoke with him and had him in the new leads.
So
And then he.
So what I would do is I would tell Matthew, be like, yo, remember if you're working on a lead, take it off attempting, so that even though I'm glad that it happened because we're able to talk to him, you know, but I'll just leave it like that. In the sales meeting later today, I'll bring it up. I'll bring it up in the sales meeting.
Okay, what time are you doing that?
I think at 4. Yeah, because I actually have music school today at 5, and I have to do my homework. So why are you laughing at me, bro?
Music school, bro.
Bro, today's my graduation. It's my last class. I have an hour and a half session. I have to prepare for it.
Bro, I literally went to your graduation last year.
I know, but I'm doing some more advanced shit, bro.
Oh, are you gonna perform again?
Probably, yeah.
In the same little place?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'm not sure, but probably. And then, yeah. So I have some homework to do. I have a set I have to complete today. Oh my god, I have so much to do with that. It's not even funny, bro. Honestly, I swear. And I've been procrastinating because I've been working and I don't know, we've been busy here, so
But we're getting busy for over and moving.
yeah. Well, we gotta ask Chris to get that reduction on Pompano. Can you get on top of it? Because for some reason, I don't know, him and Alfredo don't talk, or I don't know what's going on there.
5 acres built 1978, full rehab and cleanup.
Yeah.
Damn, she's stuck.
All right. So we'll talk later.
Okay, we have a closing tomorrow.
Finally.
I think we have some of your JV closings too.
Yeah, I think we have the JV one, the big one that we're making. Well, in total, we're making like 55K. That one's closing in. It was supposed to close tomorrow. I called Kevin to try to close it, but if not, it's going to close Monday.
Alfredo gets 3% too.
Yes.
Oh damn, we all get 3 for doing nothing.
Yes.
That's so sick.
Well, yeah. What's going to be sick is when you guys do deals and I'm not involved.
I know. I just need him to get the ball rolling a little faster.
Yeah. Talk to him though. Talk to him.
Yeah. When we're this whole meeting again, I'm gonna tell him, listen, bro, like, get the ball moving. You haven't sold anything in a minute.
Yeah, let's go. All right. I got to go.
Peace.
Bye.